Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to create bullet points in lists and in line with one another. I use this for the skills section of my CV as it allowed me to display more skills in a shorter space and ensure that it was neat. So first of all we have to create a box. To do this we hit insert, table. I used a 2x3 as it allowed me to display 6 skills. Next we have to add our bullet points in. To do this we hit home, go over to the bullet point icon and add bullet points into each individual section. Now that I have the 6 bullet points in, we can add some skills such as teamwork, leadership, and so on. Now I have my 6 skills displayed together and in line. We need to remove the box. To do this, we hit the box itself. We hit this smaller box above. We hit table properties. We go into borders and shading. As we can see along the side, the settings, we need to hit none to remove the box. So we hit OK. OK again. Now the box has been removed and my skills are displayed together and in line with one another.